Hello, friends. I am Rotarian Jyotindra Zaveri from Rotary Club of Pune Camp. You see, solving real problems takes a real commitment and vision. That is what Rotary is. You see, our mission is like we provide service to others, promote integrity, and advance world understanding, goodwill, and peace through our fellowship of business, professional, and community leaders. Today, in our studio, we have Rotarian, a very senior Rotarian, Advocate Rotarian Sheetal. Thank you very much for joining, Rotarian Sheetal. So nice
Thank
to
you,
meet
Jyoti
you.
ji. Thank
Yeah,
you so much. Thank you so much for bringing me here and having me on the studio live today.
right. So can you please introduce yourself, Rotarian Sheetal?
Yeah, I'm a lawyer by profession. I'm also practicing lawyer for the past 23 years now, and been a Rotarian for the past nearly around 16 years. And as I'm a second generation Rotarian, so it's been a journey, and I'll share with you the journey during the course of the interview. My specialization is labor industrial law, and I am dealing with mostly all the sugar factories and heavy engineering companies. My specialization being labor, it is in Pune as well as Bombay, Sangli, Solapur, Kolhapur, Nashik, and Ahmednagar and Satara. So, this is a brief introduction, and I'm a consultant to many hospitals, sugar factories, engineering companies in and around the city of Pune, as well as the IT sector too.
Oh my God, such a great experience you have all over Maharashtra and such a senior lawyer. I'm really honored. Uh,
Thank you so much.
Rotarian Sheetal, tell me why you have joined Rotary Club.
Jyotindra, joining Rotary was a very natural process for me because, as I mentioned to you, I am a second generation Rotarian, and Rotary has been in my family, and I grew up in Rotary as an anet. And when my father was a president of Rotary Club of Pune South way back in 2003-4, I got more involved in the club activities. And then our club was chartered, Rotary Club of Pune Camp, in 2005. So I am a charter member of our club, and I was the joint secretary of the charter club. So really happy, and Rotary has been a lovely experience.
Amazing. My God, I'm honored to meet a charter member of Rotary Club of Pune Camp. That's really nice. Uh, uh, tell us about your Rotary experience. You said journey. Tell us a little more about this journey.
This journey has been a very wonderful one, actually, Jyoti. And as I said, that I was an ANET. So I worked in Rotary in my home club, and then when I joined as a charter member of our club, it was totally a different ball game altogether. But then I took up more responsibilities. And in the year 2007, 2008, when PDG Vinay Kulkarni was the district governor then of our district, I was the president and of our club. And that time our district was 3130. So it has been a journey. I have served on all the avenues of service in Rotary, be it membership, be it TRF. On the district level, also, my contribution has been there. And till today, I'm really happy to be a part of the Rotary District 3131 now. And it's been a wonderful journey. I guess Rotary always makes you keep learning. Every year you learn something. So it's a process.
Rotary and Sheetal, you have been very active at the district level. So, can you please share some experience about your work in the district? What are projects you did, and how was your experience, Rotary and Sheetal?
Yeah, Jyoti ji, if you go to see that from the past, from after 2008 till today, I have been in each year, I have been in the district team, and it's been a pleasure. I have worked, as I mentioned earlier, my contribution has been in all avenues of service thus far. And my specific area, which my contribution, which I would like to say is in the year 15-16, when we formed the referral group for our District 3131. And I was the director for vocational service then. And we gave our district its first business platform in which Rotarians could exchange business within the district. And now that referral platform has expanded and it's grown, and we are now the 100th chapter of Rotary Means Business, which is a global fellowship group. And it's good to see we are having meetings of business meetings with uh, Rotarians from all over the globe. Even in the pandemic, we have been able to connect with people from Mexico and China and Canada and so many other countries. And it's been a wonderful experience. It feels good as a Rotarian when you give something to the district in the form of your expertise, in the form of your work. It brings in an emotion of satisfaction. So this is something which is my contribution to our district. And it's not only survived, but it's doing really well. And it's that's really great that even in the present pandemic we see that when people are actually not able to go in their workplaces because of this referral network, they can operate from the comfort of their home, from the Zoom meetings that they can have. So this is one of the great opportunities that Rotary has given. And I feel happy and privileged that I could give this opportunity to the members of our district in the form of some service that I could do for vocational service.
Great. That's very nice. Yeah. So, viewers, please make a note. This is Rotary Means Business. She's talking about RMB, which is part of Rotary International, and
Yes.
where the business referrals can be given and you can grow your business through RMB. Very nice. Excellent. So, Advocate Rotarian Sheetal, what message would you like to give to viewers, especially to non Rotarians? What would you like to say?
Uh, uh, if I have to say about a message, I would just say that come and join Rotary, come and join my club, experience the magic of Rotary because it's wonderful. It's like an ocean. The more you get into it, the more you will find things, the more new things you will get to learn, and you keep learning, you keep growing, and every year has a different flavor. So it's been a lovely journey, and my message to all the non-Rotarians or to the prospective people who are thinking of joining or getting attached to any NGO for doing good social service, community service, that come join Rotary, contact any local Rotary club. If you want, you can get in touch with me. To all my friends who are watching me, if you want to come and join my club, do come and join me. You have my contact numbers. You can contact me on my Facebook, on WhatsApp, and I'll be very happy to involve you into my club as a club member.
Awesome. Absolutely. Yeah. See, together we see a world where people unite and take action to create
Yes.
lasting change across the globe in our communities and in ourselves. That is how the Rotary International works. Amazing organization we have. Thank you very much on behalf of Rotary Club of Pune Camp. So nice of you to spare your time Thank you very much, Advocate Rotarian Seetal.
Thank you, Jyoti ji, for this effort, and it was a pleasure to spend some time with you and talk to you online this evening. Thank you so much for having me over.
Bye.